Welcome to TSS Automotive, your go-to destination for everything cars, from the latest releases to in-depth automotive reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting vehicles of the year, the 2025 BMW. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of innovation, performance, and luxury wrapped into one sleek package. So, buckle up as we take you on a detailed journey through everything the 2025 BMW has to offer. The 2025 BMW arrives with a bold redesign, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with the iconic aesthetic cues that define the brand. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car exudes confidence. The larger kidney grille, now a signature design element, is more sculpted than ever and perfectly integrates with the adaptive LED headlights. Every line on the body has been refined for aerodynamics and aesthetics, giving the car a powerful yet elegant stance. Whether you're looking at the sedan, SUV, or coupe variant, the 2025 BMW maintains a distinctive silhouette that sets it apart in any setting. Under the hood, BMW continues to push boundaries. Depending on the model, you're looking at options ranging from a turbocharged inline-4 to a high-performance inline-6 or even a hybrid powertrain. The M variants boast enhanced engineering, offering even more horsepower and torque than their predecessors. The driving experience remains quintessentially BMW: smooth, responsive, and thrilling. Thanks to refined suspension systems and a new generation of xDrive all-wheel drive, you get enhanced traction and control across all terrains and driving conditions. Inside, the 2025 BMW showcases the brand's commitment to luxury and innovation. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, including genuine leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trims. The highlight is the all-new curved display that spans across the dashboard, housing both the digital instrument cluster and the central infotainment screen. Running the latest iDrive software, it provides intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. BMW has also integrated more voice and gesture controls, making interaction smoother and less distracting while on the move. Passenger comfort is a top priority. The seats offer multiple levels of adjustability, heating, cooling, and massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. An extra legroom, ambient lighting, and optional touchscreen controls in the rear armrest elevate the experience. Whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip, the 2025 BMW makes every ride a pleasure. Tech lovers will appreciate the host of features that come standard and optional. The 2025 BMW includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a high-end Harman Kardon or Bowers Wilkins sound system, depending on the trim, and an advanced heads-up display. One of the standout features is BMW's expanded use of artificial intelligence in the driving assistant package. This includes real-time adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and predictive navigation that learns your routes and preferences over time. Safety has also received a major boost. Along with the usual suite of airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control, the 2025 BMW is equipped with BMW's latest version of Active Protection. This system not only helps avoid collisions but also prepares the vehicle in milliseconds if an impact becomes unavoidably, tightening seatbelts, closing windows, and adjusting seating positions for optimal protection. BMW hasn't forgotten about sustainability either. Several models within the 2025 lineup include plug-in hybrid options that offer an electric-only range suitable for daily city commutes. Charging is faster than ever, and BMW offers connected services that allow you to monitor and schedule charging right from your smartphone. Additionally, many interior components are now crafted from recycled or sustainably sourced materials without compromising on luxury. The customization options are impressive. From exterior color palettes to wheel designs, interior upholstery choices, and technology packages, BMW gives buyers plenty of ways to make the 2025 model their own. Whether you want a sportier look with the M Sport package or a more elegant vibe with a luxury trim, there's a configuration that matches every personality. In terms of performance metrics, the top-tier models hit 0-60 in under 4 seconds, showcasing BMW's relentless pursuit of performance excellence. But it's not just about speed. Ride comfort, handling precision, and driver engagement are where the 2025 BMW truly shines, proving once again why it remains one of the most respected names in the industry. As we wrap up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW, it's clear that this car isn't just about transportation, it's about the experience. BMW continues to push the envelope with each new release, and the 2025 model is no exception. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or new to the BMW world, this year's lineup offers something truly special for every kind of driver. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into the latest automotive releases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from TSS Automotive. See you in the next one.